Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. So first off, thanks to all of you that stuck around yesterday for our option session. We spoke about a lot of things as usual, including what's going on in the market, uh, kind of like the early CPI setup because we're still a few days away. Also, earnings season, and we also spoke about some stock replacement strategies. Busy night. And if you weren't able to make it, definitely be sure to check that out. All right. Uh, One of the things we covered, we cover this every time we get together, but last night was even more. I feel like kind of like an interesting discussion is because BITO to me looks very close to resolving this trading pattern. Um, so we are always on the hunt for setups where a stock or an ETF in this case has gone through a period of either consolidation or it's going through like kind of like a critical stretch of trading where it's setting up for a big move one way or the other, right? Like a make or break pattern is what I call it. So to me, BITO, which is the Bitcoin ETF, is basically at a make or break spot. I mean, you can see it's just been riding this downtrend lower for a few months. Also, 1150 has been an epic area of support. I mean, over and over and over again, it's tested it, which basically lines up with like 19,000 on Bitcoin. So this has gotten increasingly tight, and it's basically pinching to like a point where something's got to give. Whether that's on the upside or the downside remains to be seen. But to me, like this is like imminent, as in like either within the next week or the next 2 weeks. Like this pattern has gotten so tight that resolution basically needs to come. Otherwise, the stock is just going to be flatlining, which I guess is a possibility, but you don't often see Bitcoin flatlining. I'm expecting movement to come soon, and once it does, Bitcoin is volatile. Historically, these moves have been, upwards of like 10%, sometimes upwards of like 20 to 30%. I think this could be a big mover once it finally decides which direction it wants to go. This is something I am definitely hawking. I think it's maybe something to keep on your radar. And once it picks a direction, hopefully it goes boom, right? Um, so if you like this video and you're looking for more information about these make or break patterns and how we like to approach them, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.